What you're going to need for this DIY is a pair of scissors, some school glue, colorful paper, and cotton balls. So hey y'all, today we're going to be making this super cute rainbow room decoration, and it is very easy, so remember to give this video a like and subscribe. Let's get into the craft. So get all your colors. You're going to need a red, orange, yellow, green, a blue, a purple, and a pink. So our first step is we're going to cut. So get all of your paper and put them, stack them all together. I don't know how to explain this, but I think y'all know what I'm doing. And just cut down this row, and you're gonna do it 2 times. So I decided to make a rainbow because it was just barely raining here, and I wanted to see a rainbow, but there was no rainbow out there. So I see a rainbow because I need one. I have 2 strips of each color. Our next step is you're going to take a white piece of paper and you're gonna draw a cloud on it. So you're gonna take your piece of paper and you're gonna fold it in half because we need 2 clouds, right? And we want them to be exactly the same. So I'm gonna take my cloud and you're just gonna draw like those poofy thingies. So 1 poofy thingy, another one. Just keep drawing them and keep drawing them. It does not have to be perfect. So the next step is you're going to want to cut it out. And the next step is you're going to take your 2 red strips of paper and make sure that the edges are on them. And you're going to glue both of them on. So take your school glue or a glue stick and make a strip and glue it on. So there's the first and second strips. They can overlap. It's not bad if they overlap, it's okay. And so I'm gonna make my other strip and there. Now just do the exact same thing with the rest of your colors. So I messed up and I made the clouds on their skinny way, like this side instead of over there. And y'all should not do that or else you don't have enough room for the other ones. So now I only have like a fire rainbow, which I need to change that. So I could have fit these colors on and yeah. So make sure you make your clouds puffy and fat. So sad for those colors. The next step is you're going to take your cotton balls and you're going to glue them onto the cloud part. So I just take a bunch of glue and put it everywhere to where the white ends. I outline it. The last step is you push it up and you can adjust it however you want. So I like mine, I guess like that. So you are all done with your rainbow room decoration. So remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye y'all.